Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with the third week, I want to say, of Hobby Lobby Challenge with Mo round two. And that's where I am challenging every one of you to use your red ticket items from Hobby Lobby. I am concentrating mostly on dies because that's what I buy mostly. Um, but you can use anything what you'd like, whether it's ribbon or beads or whatever you'd like to challenge yourself to use. Just use this hashtag Hobby Lobby Challenge with Mo2 so that we can come over and see what you've created so that we can be inspired as well. All right, so let me just jump right in and share a few things. So these are the last two items that I purchased that I will be using. However, I did go out to Hobby Lobby and pick up some more dies. If you didn't see my haul video, you can go back maybe one or two videos and it's there. I did get some more dies, but I'm not for sure if I'm going to put those in a giveaway or give away something else. So, but anyways, these are the last two that I'll be using. So whether I use both next week, it might be the last week besides the giveaway, which will be the following week, or make it into 2 more weeks and then the giveaway afterwards. We'll see. All right, and so let me show you what I'm using this week. So this week I am using this here, and I've used each and every one of these trees, and I made, I want to say, a total of 6 tags maybe. And so let me show you what else I used to create with these tags. So I'm using my Creative Time, the Christmas bow. This one here, which is, you can get that from Paper Trade Ink. This here, these two, which from my Creative Time. Some of these things are, you may not be able to buy this. This was with her chunky, I don't even have it on there, her chunky jars, but I'm not for sure if that's still available or not. I am using these tiny tags there. This one is from My Favorite Things, and I forgot the name of it. Maybe it's on the back. I don't know. Anyways, My Favorite Things. These tags here, and I am actually using this one, and that's from My Creative Time as well. And this was one of her latest release, not the one this past week, but maybe a couple back. And I love those tags. I'm so glad I got them. And then the stamps that I'm using this here, which is from My Creative Time. I'm using that for you. And then from Hero Arts, I am using Season's Greetings. All right, so let me just show you the first set. Here we go. And I really like how these turned out. Let's turn it up. No, but anyways, I like how these turned out. This window here is it's a little recessed. I'm not sure if you can tell it, but I did pop the outer die there 3 times, and then I was able to just slide that right in there. So there goes those tags. And I wasn't thinking, I snipped off the twine, but I need twine for the tag, so I will jimmy it up some kind of way come Christmas time. And all of the tags are that way. So anyways, so that's my first set. And then here goes another one. So this one I'll just kind of catty corner it on the present, but I like how it turned out. At first I was kind of iffy about it, wasn't sure, but after looking at it a little bit, I was like, it works. There goes that Season's Greetings from Hero Arts, and there goes that My Creative Time Christmas bow. And here goes another one. And I like how this turned out. I didn't get the papers that I used, but any kind of Christmas papers, if you'd like to recreate these, will do. And there goes that My Creative Time Christmas bow again. That's her tiny tag there. Yeah, I like that, how that turned out as well. And then the last set is right here, and this came from her most recent tag die set. And she has more tags coming out. She Actually, they're going on right now. I think the sale ends on Friday, and I picked up those as well. So I really like these tags. And then there goes that for you from her thing there as well from her tiny tags sentiments. So yeah, so those are all that I have made for this week. I made quite a bit this time, but they were really easy to put together, and I just whipped them right up. And so, if you come back next week, that might be my last week. So, if you want to play, let's get it in. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. Check out the pictures at the end, and you all have a blessed and crafty day.